House Design Spot presents Dune Villa V by BNLA Architecture. Natural materials, combined with a robust and modern design, form the perfect combination in this villa, located in the dunes of Zeeland, the Netherlands. To reach the entrance, you walk up the artistically designed stairs that climb the dune. At first glance, the facade contains a large number of windows that create a pleasant connection between the outside and inside. This experience is enhanced the moment you enter the house. The view becomes an extension of the rooms, and this gives a breathtaking effect, especially at sunset. The house itself is playfully put together by applying different split levels, which refer to the different heights of the dune landscape. In this way, the experience of the surrounding nature is being optimized. Consideration has also been given to the environment in the facade materials. Sustainable materials such as wood and natural stone allow the house to melt away in the transition between forest and dune. On the inside of the house, a warm and natural interior has been created by using different tones of wood and natural stone types. This, in combination with black details, gives the house a rough and chic character. The lighting has also been elaborated to the smallest details. By doing this, the house feels more atmospheric and embracing inside and out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.